Welcome to WealthWired. The school system taught you algebra, history, and how to dissect a frog, but it never taught you the one subject that determines your entire financial future. And that omission, that deliberate gap in your education, is costing you hundreds of thousands of dollars over your lifetime. Today, I am going to show you the biggest investing lie, the truth behind it, and exactly what to do about it, starting today. 64% of Americans have less than $1,000. 33% have zero retirement savings school. 64% of Americans, 90% taught to invest stable. These numbers are not a coincidence. Quick note, this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Please consult a licensed financial advisor for your personal situation. Here is what we are covering. Section 2, the truth that changes everything. Section 3, your exact action plan starting today. Section 1, the lie. The biggest investing lie, you need a lot of money to start investing. This single belief stops more people from building wealth than any other financial mistake. Where did this lie come from? Financial institutions that profit from managing large sums of money. The lie comes in 3 forms. Wait until you have $10,000. You need a financial advisor first. Investing is too risky for regular people. All 3 are false. The real cost of believing this lie. If you wait 10 years to start investing $280,000 per month, the worst part, this lie gets passed down.
Parents who were never taught to invest tell their children the same.
Generation after generation stays broke because the reality. You can open a brokerage account today with $1. You can buy fractional shares of it for $500. The minimum investment barrier was removed years ago. Fidelity has zero minimum to open an account. Vanguard requires $1. You can buy a fraction of any stock or ETF for as little as $5. The barrier is gone. Section 2, the truth that changes everything. The truth about compound interest. $200 per month invested consistently for 40 years at the historical year 1, $2,560, year 10, $41,000. The growth accelerates because you're an intern on your interest. Albert Einstein reportedly called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world. He said those who understand it earn it, those who do not pay it. Coming up, the most powerful investing comparison you will ever see. The 22-year-old versus the 32-year-old. The most powerful investing comparison. Person A starts investing $202 and invests $400 per month. Twice as much. At age 65, person A has $1.2 million. Person B has $900,000 total. The single most powerful investing variable is not how much you invest. It is when you start. Time in the market and beats the amount invested. Waiting just one more year to start investing $200 at retirement. Every year you wait is $47,000 permanently gone from your future. The index fund truth. The S&P 500 has never had a negative 20-year period in history. 92% of professional fund managers fail to beat the adjusted fees to manage your money, almost always do worse than the index. Warren Buffett, the greatest investor of all time, has repeatedly said regular people should put their money in a low-cost S&P 500 index fund and leave it alone. And here is the fee truth. A 1% annual management fee on your portfolio costs you $200. Do you need a financial advisor? For simple index fund investing, no. Opening a Roth IRA and buying a total market index fund takes 15 minutes and zero expertise. The tax truth. A Roth IRA grows completely tax-free. Your $1.12 million mint, zero taxes, same growth. 3 investing truths. 1, you can start with $1 today. 2, starting early beats investing more later. Section 3, your exact action plan, starting today. Step 1, open a Roth IRA today. Go to Fidelity or Vanguard. Takes 15 minutes. Zero minimum at Fidelity, $1 minimum at Vanguard. Do this before you sleep tonight. Step 2, buy 1 index fund. VU tracks the S&P 500. VTI tracks the entire US market. Step 3, automate $200 per month. Set up an automatic monthly contribution. If $200 is too much. Step 4, and this is the hardest one. Stop looking at it. The biggest investing mistake is panic selling during market dip. Every single market crash in history has recovered and gone higher. Stay in, do not panic. Dollar cost averaging. When the market drops, your heart crashes are actually buying opportunities when you invest automatically every month. The 2026 Roth IRA contribution limit is $7,000 per year. Max it out every year for Coming up, 3 lies versus 3 truths side by side. The clearest comparison you have ever seen. 3 lies versus 3 truths. Lie 1, you need a lot of money to start. Truth 1, you can start with $1 today at Fidelity. Lie 2, investing is too risky. Truth 2, the S&P 500 has never been negative over any 20-year bid in history. Lie 3, you need a financial advisor. Truth 3, you do not need to pay someone to underperform the market for you. This is the wealth gap. Same age, same income, same starting point. The only difference. Almost done. Coming up, your personalized 30-year wealth projection from just $200 per month. $200 per month projection. Year 5, $15,000. Year 10, $41,000. $200 per month is $6.06. That is $1 million in wealth, is less than your morning coffee run. Investing also protects you from inflation. Money sitting in a checking account at 0.01% interest loses purchasing power every year. The best time to start investing was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. It is never too late. Dividend reinvestment accelerates everything. When your index fund pays dividends, which pays more dividends, which buys more shares. If your employer offers a 401k match, always contribute enough to get the full match first. Your investing priority order. 1. Get full 401k employer match. 2. Max your Roth IRA at 7th.
One important order of operations. Before investing, build investing without an emergency fund means you may be forced to sell during a market crash.
The market timing myth. Missing just the 10 best market days over 30 years cuts your returns in half. 1 extra percentage point matters enormously over time. $200 per month at 7% for 30 years. Once you are comfortable with VTI or VO, consider adding a small international allocation. The 3-fund portfolio, the simplest and most effective investing strategy ever created. As you approach retirement, shift gradually into bonds for stability. A simple rule: your age as your bond percentage. Rebalance once per year. If stocks have a great year and drift to 90% of your portfolio, sell some stocks and buy bonds to bring it back to your target allocation. Tax loss harvesting. Sell underperforming positions to offset capital gains and reduce your tax bill. Let me show you exactly what this looks like in practice with a real-world example. Profile: age 25, $45,000 annual salary. Opens a Fidelity Roth IRA. Year 1, $2,560 in their Roth IRA. Year 5, they barely notice it growing because it is automated. They just live their normal life. Age 45, 20 years in. Growth accelerating now because compound ditches sell base. The same $200 is doing more work every month. Final section coming. Your complete 30-year projection and the 3 things to do today. Age 65, 40 years of $200 per month. Portfolio value, $1.12 million. The knowledge gap. Person who learned this at 25, $1.12 million at retirement. Person who learned at $40 per month, 20 years of knowledge difference. 3 things to do today. 1. Open your Roth IRA at Fidelity or Vanguard right now. 2. Buy $40 per month. The entire process takes 20 minutes. Comment the word LIE below right now and I will personally send you the free investing starter guide. Everything you need to open your first account and make your first investment. Subscribe to WealthWired for a new finance video every single day. Tomorrow, day 5, how to invest your first 100 step by step. Turn on notifications. Every single day you do not have a Roth IRA costs you $3.83 in lost compound growth. That is $1,400 per. The mindset shift that changes everything. Stop saying I cannot afford to invest. Start saying I cannot afford the financial future. This is what your financial future looks like if you start today. $200 per month. Watching the series from day 1, every video builds on the last. Link to the full WealthWired 30-day series in the description below. And pass this knowledge on. Share this video with someone who needs it. Break the cycle. The lie stops with you. Day 4 recap. The lie, the truth, start with $1 today at Fidelity. Your action, open a Roth IRA today and buy VOO. Day 4 of 30 complete. 26 more daily finance videos coming. Every single day, 1 new strategy to build your wealth. Subscribe so you never miss one. The chalkboard that was blank when you were 18 is now full. You have the knowledge they never gave you. Use it. Your 65-year-old self is watching what you do today. Every $200 you invest now is a... See you tomorrow on WealthWired, Day 5. How to invest your first $100 step by step. You will not want to miss it.
Hit subscribe and join the WealthWired community. A new money strategy is waiting for you every single day. Let's build your wealth, starting right now.